because he suffered a traumatic brain injury.
And the family is taking legal action. Local 10's Terrell Fournay live in Fort Lauderdale. He spoke with the family members tonight. Terrell.
And this 60-year-old victim has trouble with daily problem-solving skills, everything from bathing to getting dressed he now needs help with, according to his family, all after what was supposed to be just a quick shopping trip here to this grocery store.
The dog was his best friend.
Bruce Reese's bond with his pit bull brought the pair to this Aldi grocery store last October, where surveillance cameras show the duo in store aisles and a verbal confrontation from another patron who was apparently upset about the leashed animal. That man waits for Bruce to leave the store and then sucker punches the unsuspecting 60-year-old at the exit.
And he was on life support in a coma for weeks. He is now profoundly brain damaged, and he's incapable of living anything close to a normal, independent life.
After a manhunt that stretched days, detectives eventually arrested Dandria Johnson on a felony battery charge. That victim is now out of the hospital, but his son says he's not the same.
Every day's Groundhog's Day, trying to get him to, remember things and remember who he is and what's happening and what's going on in the world around him.
Attorneys for the family have now filed a civil lawsuit against the Aldi grocery store in Lauderdale Lakes, where the violent incident happened. The suit is also against Johnson, the accused attacker, and DF Security, the private company that Aldi uses.
He should have chimed in to de-escalate the situation. He should have asked the assailant to calm down or threatened to call police. He did nothing. And by doing nothing, that emboldened the assailant to take it to the next level.
If Aldi's just had done their job of just what the standard was for security, my dad would be the same.
The civil suit seeks damages in excess of $30 million, and it cites crime in the surrounding areas and a failure to act among the security and store employees during the verbal altercation as reasons why Aldi should be deemed negligent.
We have to take care of him like he's our child, and it's a whole new weight in life I never thought we'd experience.
And this civil suit is demanding a trial by jury, but this family is also demanding accountability from those named entities, and they are also wanting to see some sort of change in practice in how facilities like these are secured. Nonetheless, we have reached out to Aldi, the grocery store, and that security company as well. We have yet to hear back from either. We are live in Lauderdale Lakes tonight. Terrell Fournay, Local 10 News.
More to come on.
In Biscayne Bay and the water, the canals and the intracoastal, it's like the Wild West.
NBC6 spoke with maritime attorney Ira Leesfield, who says there needs to be more enforcement to help curb tragedies on the water.
People have to know that the consequences of being reckless on the water are just like the consequences of being reckless on the roads.
Just last year, Governor Ron DeSantis signed Lucy's Law, named after a South Florida teen who was also killed in a boat crash. The law increases the penalty for boating safety violations, including adding a 4-year mandatory minimum sentence for boating under the influence.
A dos familias esta noche. Amigos del operador del bote que aún se encuentra aquí en el hospital dicen que él ni puede hablar de lo conmovido y adolorido que se encuentra. Por su parte, allegados de la mujer que falleció en este accidente la recuerdan como una buena mujer. El video muestra a un bote dando vueltas en la bahía de Biscayne sin nadie a bordo. Ocurrió este sábado por la mañana, según las autoridades, luego de que su operador perdiera el control de alguna manera y terminara siendo expulsado de la embarcación junto con una mujer que lo acompañaba, quien desafortunadamente falleció.
34 años, no, cómo ella pudo en un día así irse de esta vida, en un día tan joven, y que era una persona muy buena, muy buena.
Las autoridades identificaron a la pasajera del bote como Claudia Balmaceda Orellanes. Vecinos de la mujer aseguran que esta es la foto de su perfil en las redes sociales. Dicen que llegó de Cuba hace unos 3 años.
Estoy todo el tiempo pensando en ella. Cuando la veía ahí parada, me decía buenos días.
La lancha de 27 pies ahora se encuentra en las instalaciones de la Comisión de Pesca y Vida Silvestre como parte de la investigación. Amigos identificaron al operador del bote como Neil Schwab, de 54 años, quien fue aerotransportado al centro de Trauma Rider del Hospital Jackson Memorial con heridas graves en un pie.
A eso de las 10:22 de la mañana, unidades de bomberos de Miami-Dade respondieron a un incidente marítimo reportado cerca de Crandon Park Marina en el que una embarcación había perdido el control.
Según oficiales, las dos personas que iban a bordo fueron expulsadas al agua y golpeadas por la misma embarcación mientras continuaba en movimiento. Un buen samaritano logró rescatar del agua a Schwab y agentes de la Guardia Costera le aplicaron un torniquete. Por su parte, buzos de rescate localizaron a la segunda víctima y los bomberos también lanzaron una cuerda al agua para enredar el motor y detener la lancha. Expertos en legislación marítima analizan qué factores pudieron ser determinantes.
Normalmente estamos hablando de una falla grave en la operación de ese bote. Si una persona es expulsada, eso inmediatamente levanta la pregunta sobre velocidad, maniobras peligrosas o falta de atención. Además, el operador tiene el deber de evitar causar daño.
Y el motivo por el cual el hombre habría perdido el control de la embarcación continúa siendo una incógnita. Es la FWC quien lidera esta investigación. Soy Miguel Santisteban reportando en vivo. Continúen con más.